Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Gist in the entertainment industry. Tasha dumps T-Bliss 2 months after he became her manager. We presume that Big Brother Naija star Tasha and her management Bliss Vision, under the supervision of T-Bliss, have now parted ways few months after they announced that they would be doing business together. About 2 months ago, Tunji Ibrahim Balogun, popularly known as T-Bliss, who was formerly Tiwa Savage's manager and ex-husband, announced that former Big Brother Naija housemate Tasha is signed under his management Bliss Vision. However, as at the time of this press report, both parties have erased details of each other from their Instagram account, which is an indication that both aren't having a business relationship anymore. T-Bliss, as at the time of this report, has erased all pictures that has to do with his association with Tasha. He also erased her name from his biography as her manager. Tasha, on the other hand, has updated her contact details on Instagram, not listing blissvision@gmail.com in her contact details anymore. For unknown reason, however, both parties did not announce their separation, but trust our eagle eyes to always spot every single move in the entertainment industry. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel to receive more information when they drop. Thank you.